Understanding welding hood, an essential for safety. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning session. Today, we're going to explore the term welding hood. Whether you're interested in welding or just expanding your English vocabulary, understanding this phrase is key. So let's dive in. A welding hood, also known as a welding helmet, is a type of headgear used by welders. It serves as a protective shield, guarding the face, neck, and eyes against heat, sparks, and harmful radiation while welding. These hoods are vital for safety, preventing injuries and long-term damage. Every welding hood consists of several important parts. Shell, the outer part, which deflects sparks and absorbs impact. Lens, this is either a standard glass or an auto-darkening filter that protects the eyes from intense light. Headgear, the adjustable part that fits the hood to the welder's head. Understanding these components is crucial for selecting the right welding hood for the job. Using a welding hood is not just about compliance with safety regulations, it's about protecting one of our most valuable senses: sight. Welders face hazards like infrared and ultraviolet light, which can cause a condition called welder's flash, or arc eye. A good welding hood also protects from sparks and spatter, which can cause burns or start fires. There are two main types of welding hoods. Passive welding hoods. These have a dark tinted glass lens. They are more traditional but require the welder to lift the hood to see clearly between welds. Auto-darkening welding hoods. These have lenses that automatically adjust the level of darkness depending on the light intensity, offering more convenience and efficiency. We hope this video has shed light on what a welding hood is and why it's such an important piece of equipment for welders. Remember, safety comes first, and understanding the tools and terminology is a step towards that. Happy welding and happy learning!